Hello everyone, welcome to Qingdao Sale Rigging Online Showtime. I'm Yuna. Today I will explain Clevis lip hook with Latch. The Clevis lip hook with Latch adopts the classic horn design, and its shape is similar to an inverted U. Its material is divided into carbon steel and aero steel. Its surface treatment can be electro-galvanized or powder-coated. Its technology is drop-forged. It can be really contracted to lifting chains, wire ropes, and other lifting devices. The including Latch is a self-locking device to ensure safety and reliability during lift. If you want to know more, please contact us. Bye.